This is a computer lesson for primary 1 pupils, the second topic of first term 2021/2022. This lesson is being presented by Mr. Moses Augustine Garba. The topic outlined is the definition of computer-related objects and examples of computer-related objects. And the objective of this lesson is that at the end of this lesson, people should be able to define a computer-related object and mention some examples of computer-related objects. Now, what are these computer-related objects? Computer-related objects are those objects that work like a computer. How does the computer work? Last week, we talked about the computer system and what it does is accepting of data, and I told you that data is a raw fact or figure. And after accepting the data, it processes the data into information. It also stores data. The computer system uses electricity to work. So now, coming back to our today's topic, if we are talking about computer-related objects, these computer-related objects are devices that work like computer. But their differences is that computer can do many things at a time, but these computer-related objects are made to do just a specific or a particular work at a time. Now, what are these examples? Are the examples of these computer-related objects? Number one, I mentioned calculator. A calculator is a device. It uses batteries, and these batteries is just like electricity. So I will use the calculator to do arithmetic calculations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Then we can talk about a telephone. We all here are not new about telephone. A telephone is a device or a machine that is used for making and receiving calls. Even though it can do other things, today we have smartphones who can do different things, just like computer. Now we can also talk about digital camera. A camera is a device that is used to snap picture. So we have a television. Many of us have televisions at home. We know the uses of television. We watch films through our television. So the television is used to show moving picture, that is video, movies that we watch on the television. Then we can also talk about a digital watch. A watch, we also know that it is a device that we always use to check time. Yes. Then other computer-related objects are those electronics that uses electricity to work, like fan, radio, and many of them. So that is the end of our lesson today. But before I go, I will have to still talk about what we have learned today. We have learned from this lesson that computer-related objects are the devices that are made to do specific work or particular work at a time. They are also electronic machines because they use electricity to work. Some of them use dry batteries. Batteries are also electric. They give them power to do their work. Without the battery, they cannot work. Then we also mention many examples of computer-related objects such as calculator for doing arithmetic calculations, a telephone for making and receiving calls, a digital camera for snapping pictures, a television for watching moving pictures, a digital watch for checking time, fan for taking for circulating air in the room or environment. So that is the summary of what we have learned today. So our next topic, we'll be talking about computer non-related objects. Thank you and remain blessed.